I think good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's 3 p.m.
Yes. So we are meeting first time, so please give me some introductions.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. I am Komal. I am from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. I have
Okay.
a daughter, and my
o-
husband is an engineer. And my
Okay.
hobby is singing music, dancing, and also learning English.
Okay, nice. That's good. Yeah. So I want to tell you about myself. My name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am YouTuber and housewife. As far as my education is concerned, I have completed MCOM. So that's it about me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Are you working?
No, actually, I'm not working. I'm just housewife, and I have YouTube channel. I run a YouTube channel. That's it.
Okay. So, what
Yes.
do you do free time?
Actually, when I get the free time, so that time I have a practice for improving my communication skill. That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Apart from talking, what do you do? Any other things for learning?
Yeah, of course. Because apart from this thing, because I am taking some session for improving English, as well, I am, I am using Telegram.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm also a learner and I like to watch English videos because it's really help.
Uh,
Also, I learned vocabulary, new words.
mm,
So when
okay.
you
So please let me know because when I start speaking English, so sometimes we get dismotivate.
yeah.
So can you give me some tips how to enhance this problem? I think remove this problem. I think every learner have a problem, and every learner are facing this problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, Ma'am, I'm also a learner, but
Yes.
I have some tips which I want to give you. So first of all, we should overcome our hesitation. So
Yes.
when we talk with someone, uh, the main thing which is very necessary learning English is environment because we speak in environment is very necessary.
Yeah, exactly. Environment is very important. Even I don't have any environment, and I am facing this problem but this time I have full confidence. But sometimes, I can't speak English. I think in front of as a student, because this times I am using application, I told you Telegram. So sometimes I get stuck because of my lack of vocabulary, and after having conversation, and that I think something like this, I think I can't speak English. So that time I get dismotivated. So that's why I am asking, so please give me some tips for enhancing
Yeah.
our speaking English. Yeah.
So don't demotivate and don't worry about the people what they are saying, what they are thinking about. Okay, because
Yes.
always try to motivate us. When sometimes we speak English in front of people, they just start laughing. It's happened. It's
Yes.
very common. Don't worry about it. Keep practicing. This is very necessary. Even I don't have any partner, but whenever I get time, I talk with my daughter. I have a 6-year-old daughter. I talk with my
Okay.
and sometimes I try to talk with my husband. And
Okay.
sometimes go to my husband go to office and my daughter also go to school. Practice. I do my practice alone in front of my other person, and we just talking. Like that. Talking like that. I do my practice alone. So it will definitely help. You
Okay.
can.
Yeah, yes, you are doing well for enhancing your speaking English. Even I don't have any partner, but I spend that time on the mobile phone, and I sometimes when I get that time, so that time I watch English video as well. I have some sessions, for enhancing my speaking English. And another thing, I talk with different people, especially students, and IELTS students. And yeah, So that's how I have practiced, because initially days when I started learning English, so that time I used to use as a rapid fire, as a any fake story, I created any fake story and then I used to speak with myself. But this time I have a good IT platform, we can say as a platform, not environment, because I don't have any environment. You can say behind me. Yeah, so then I have a practice, on the different platform, as a Skype application and Telegram. So, but when I get free, so that time I watch English video, because when you want to enhance your speaking, or at especially English, so that time you should watch English video,
Yeah, I
English content, English podcast, because this thing is very important. When you don't watch any English content, so I think you can't speak English, according to me, as far as I know. Yeah.
I also watch English cartoon with my daughter. There is a cartoon. I tell you the name, Gattu Chinky cartoon. Gattu Chinky cartoon.
Okay.
I with my daughter, and it's available both language, Hindi and also English. And English also is very simple and is easy. We can understand very well.
Okay, I will start watching as a cartoon. But you are doing very well, because you are watching a video along with your daughter. I think, yeah, because I think especially women are trying to be better in English. And I think, I want to say, if you want to improve, teach your child. So first of all, you should tell your, I think, children, because you should watch English cartoon, that's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Not Hindi, only English. Yeah.
I am learning English only for my child. Yeah,
Okay.
it will improve my personality, but my main aim is to become fluent to my daughter.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah. So what are you doing right now? Are you housewife? That's it. And another, except you are doing.
No, ma'am, I am a homemaker.
Yes. Okay, 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 nice. How do you do for learning English?
Sometimes I read storybooks. There are a lot of storybooks of my daughter when I get time. But I realized when I read a storybook, I feel after some time I feel bored. So
Yeah, exactly.
instead of reading books, I prefer watch English video because
Yeah,
we
exactly. So am I. Yeah, so am I, because when I start reading, so that time I get bored. So then immediately I close the, book, and then I started sleepy. So I think, yeah, this is a very big problem. I think every person have a problem. Yeah.
but when we watch mobile, we never feel bored.
Yeah, you are right.
And
Yes.
there are a lot of subtitle movies which are available in both Hindi and English subtitle movies. They are also very helpful.
Yes, 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 yes. You are right. But this times I am working on speaking. That's it. But sometimes I get free, so that time I watch English video, English content. But I am not able to understand what should I watch. Sometimes I get bored, so then I decided I should watch as a English podcast.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, when did you decide about learning English? Yeah, I should learning
Actually,
English.
yeah, I think this is a very good question. And, I think I don't have any specific reason. That's So then I started learning English, because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that times I started learning English. I started, learning English for couple of years. I think I started learning English for couple of years.
Okay.
Yes.
And have you ever been to Rajasthan? I am from Rajasthan.
No, I
Okay.
haven't been to other state right now. But in the future, definitely, when I get the chance to go to other side, so definitely I will go. Yes.
Yeah. And there are a lot of places to visit, lot of cities, some of famous cities like Jodhpur, Ajmer, Jaipur, and
Okay.
every full of lot of history, lot of fort, lot of places, palaces,
Okay.
lakes.
Do you want to see my backside as my background or not?
Yeah, definitely. Please show
Okay.
me.
Yeah, I will definitely show you.
Wow, it looks
Yes.
heaven.
Yeah. I think I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Yeah. Very lucky, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes.
That-
Yes, please.
Are you from village? It's a village.
Yes, I am from village.
But there's a lot of
Yes. Have
which
you
crop?
saw any orange trees or not?
No.
Yeah, I will show you.
Famous
This
for
is a orange.
okay,
Yes.
yeah. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
You can see.
Pluck orange whenever you want.
Yes, please. I think. Yeah, please.
You can pluck any orange whenever you want.
Okay. Okay. I think this is a not our field, but I decided I should show you.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So
I have seen orange tree.
yes, please.
Time I have seen orange tree.
Okay, first time. Okay, okay. I have lots of orange trees.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mango tree I have seen many times, but orange tree I have seen first time.
Yes, please. Actually, I can't understand very well. Please, can you repeat?
Yeah. My voice is breaking. Voice is
Yes,
breaking.
I think your side is network problem. I think
Okay.
papaya trees. You can see.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's papaya.
Yeah, and reddish. We have grow as a reddish. Yeah.
So every day you eat fresh vegetables. There is no need to go to market and bring vegetables.
No, no. Actually, sometimes we purchase some vegetable, but maximum times, I think we use as a fresh fruit, fresh, vegetable.
Yeah, it's very good habit.
Yes.
Remember, we went to Himachal Pradesh, and there were lot of matas like Kangra Devi. I
Yes.
remember.
Yeah. So that's why it's called a Devbhoomi of Himachal Pradesh. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. We visited. I remember. It's a little bit.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
kid.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Have you watched my YouTube channel or not?
Yeah, I watched. And at
Okay.
that time, I thought you are very pretty and very simple. There is
Okay.
there was no any show off.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you for appreciating me. So please let me know how's my video, how's my language.
Yeah, ma'am, you are speaking very well. And if you keep talking, definitely you will become very fluent.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Also, like as you, I am a learner.
Okay. 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 Nice. Okay.
Um,
How did you find my, I think, channels and my link of a Skype application?
Ma'am, whenever I watched many videos on YouTube, then
Okay.
uh, there were a lot of videos of for learning English. At that time, I watched you on YouTube, and you are talking with many other women
Yes.
like Jyoti ma'am, and there are a lot of.
Yes. Yes.
I decided to talk with you.
Okay. 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 Nice. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
And don't demotivate. Don't
Yeah,
demotivate.
because sometimes I get more dismotivated because I think because this times I am running the YouTube channel and sometimes my view doesn't comes very well. So then after watching my views and my channels and my speaking, yeah, of course I can handle while speaking English, but sometimes I get dismotivated. I think I
No, no, no.
can't do anything. Yes. So that's why I get dismotivated. So after getting dismotivated, so then I started watching as motivation videos especially I watch Sandeep Maheshwari's video. Yes. Yeah.
You are doing well.
Okay, thank you. So because when other person give the hope you are doing very well, uh, so that time any I think lots of I think energy I comes in my side.
Pure.
So yeah. So I think definitely I will.
Yeah,
I think because when I started learning, when I speaking English with the other person, and so that time I see about myself. So then I think no, you are doing very well and you are getting improved.
yeah,
Your confidence and your speaking English.
yeah.
Yes,
We watch our own video, we can also correct ourselves because
yes,
yeah, at that time we realize which mistakes we have done, which
yes.
mistakes doing continuously. That type of things we can observe.
Yes, yeah, because because when I speak, so that time I realize because this times I'm making the lots of mistake, and then immediately, meanwhile having conversation, I try to correct that mistake. So that time I realize because this times I'm making the mistake, and I think I am wrong pronounced. So that time I try to correct.
Yeah, don't worry about mistakes.
Yeah,
When we
mistake. No. Yes, I know because I don't think about mistake. I think mistake is common thing. When I have lots of mistake, so then I will speak fluently and very well, perfectly. So I don't think because this time I have lots of confidence because I talk different students as a IELTS students who are doing the exam for IELTS. So I think with whom I start speaking. Yes.
also don't worry about that type of things because I believe that then I will make mistake, then I will correct
Yes.
my own
I
opinion.
nobody judge you because this time you are making the mistake. Because I am speaking. I think you are listening. That's it. You are not correcting me. You are not judging me, and you are speaking. I am not judging to you. I am not correcting you. So I think every person try to listen properly, and other person observes like your message
Yeah.
who are giving to other person. So I think as far as I know, because I have lots of experience, I think 10% of them they tell you because this time you are making the mistake, ma'am, you should correct this. Okay, so next time we will meet up very soon.
Yeah, ma'am, definitely we will.
Okay, so thank you, nice to talk to you. And yes,
Nice to.
I because in the end I would like to tell you you should create the YouTube channel.
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.